On a quiet morning, a little rabbit hopped beside the river, her heart light as the breeze. But suddenly, the earth crumbled beneath her paws, and she tumbled into the cold, rushing water. A monkey high in the trees heard her cries. Without hesitation, he swung down and tossed a long vine into the river. The rabbit clung tightly as the monkey pulled with all his might, until at last she reached solid ground. Soaked and shivering, the rabbit whispered, "You saved me." The monkey smiled and said, "Friends help each other." No matter how different they are, from that day, they became inseparable friends.